Hey guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create your own custom template on TradingView. But before we start, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to watch all the upcoming videos, and let's dive in. So at the beginning, it doesn't matter you use the desktop app for TradingView or the website, it doesn't matter. In my case, I'm using the TradingView desktop app. After you open it and access your account, all you need to do is to click on this icon, which called indicator templates. Click on it. Here are some templates and default templates that's already built in the application. For example, let's try this. As you can see, there's a 3 lines has appeared. If you want to remove, you can also add another template on it. For example, this one. And if you want to remove all these indicators, just right click on the screen and click on remove indicators, and that's the default one. So how you can create your own custom template? Just click on indicators. For example, my scripts or financial. Let's see, in technicals you want the 24-hour volume. Click on it. And I want also the cup zone. Click on it. For example, I want to use all these indicators and put them and save them as a template. Just click on indicator template and click save indicator template. Let's name it a test template and hit save. I can click on remove indicators, and after you open the application and you want to open your template, just click on indicator templates and you will find under my template a test template. Just click on it and boom. Now you have made your custom templates. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to watch all the upcoming videos, and goodbye.